25 BIM terms you need to know about.
1. 2D CAD Drawing. 2D Dimensional Computer-Aided Design, CAD, drawing to represent the concept and design of architects. The drawings are further used to prepare a three-dimensional information-rich BIM model. 2D CAD drawings are the base of a building structure. 2. 3D BIM Model. 3D representation of a precise and well-coordinated digital model of a building structure considering and incorporating all relevant information, location, dimension, number, material, etc. of each BIM object.
3. BIM Dimensions. 3D to 10D BIM dimensions are the additional information linked with the three-dimensional geographical representation of a building model, that helps project stakeholders plan and make informed decisions during the pre-construction stage to execute the construction, operations, and maintenance process flawlessly.
4. BIM Execution Plan, BEP. The BIM Execution Plan, BEP, aims to establish a fundamental framework for the successful implementation of advanced design technologies on a BIM project. The BEP focuses on streamlining work and model flow throughout the project as opposed to segregated interest optimization. Excellent planning throughout the design, engineering, and construction process is essential to avoid unwanted obstacles, rework, expensive design changes, redundancies, or gaps in the workflow of model-based information. 5. Project Implementation Plan, PIP. The Project Implementation Plan, PIP, is a part of the overall BIM Execution Plan, BEP. Each organization submitting a proposal for a project should include a PIP. The Supply Chain Capability Summary, SCCS, is part of a PIP. 6. Asset Information Model, AIM. The phrase Asset Information Model, AIM, refers to the comprehensive collection of data that supports the entire management of an asset. During the operational period of a building life cycle, the AIM acts as a single source of verified and authorized information with respect to a built asset. The term that refers to a single asset, a system of connected assets, or the complete portfolio of assets for the entire structure. 7. BIM Levels, 0 to 6. BIM levels are utilized for different purposes for different types of projects. Different level of BIM represents a particular level of maturity starting from level 0 to 6. The purpose of BIM levels is to incorporate relevant and exact information along with the BIM model throughout the design-build process. 8. Level of Development, LOD. Load Level of Development is an industry standard for architectural engineering and construction, AEC, professionals. Each level or layer is defined for design development for the various stages of a construction project. The core concept of load defines the information and reliability of different BIM elements at various stages of the building life cycle. 9. Clash Detection. Clash refers to the particular situation where two or more building elements occupy the same location. Clash detection is the process of collaborating multidisciplinary models in a digital platform to identify clashes and find possible ways to resolve clashes between the building elements in the common data environment, CDE, during the pre-construction or fabrication phase. Types of clashes: hard clash, soft clash, workflow clash, or 4D clash. And Common Data Environment, CDE. Common Data Environment, CDE, is the cloud-based digital platform where all the project-relevant data are stored in a structured manner, providing relevant access to the respective project team members. Every individual related to a specific project can access relevant data at any point of time from any electronic device using unique credentials. Therefore, the security of CDE is unquestionable and accessibility to the data is streamlined.
11. Construction Operations Building Information Exchange, COBie. COBie is a specification developed in the United States to handle asset information, which includes space and equipment. Construction Operations Building Information Exchange is closely related to the BIM process for designing, constructing, and managing constructed assets. 12. Open BIM. The term Open BIM originated from the International Alliance Building Smart. The collaborative Open BIM process is introduced to improve the usability, accessibility, sustainability, and overall management of digital data by using open software, processes, and standards. Open BIM benefits: interoperable, sustainable, open, flexible, collaborative, reliable. 13. Information Delivery Manual, IDM. Information Delivery Manual, IDM, is an ISO standard, ISO 29481-1-2010, which is introduced by Building Smart to deploy a methodology of capturing and specifying data and processes throughout the life cycle of a building. The purpose of the standard is to enhance digital collaboration amongst the project stakeholders and multi-trade teams, enable interoperability across software programs utilized during a project lifecycle, and offer a framework for accurate, dependable, precise, and superior information exchange. 14 Industry Foundation Class, IFC. IFC is a file format introduced by Building Smart and is the primary ISO standard of Open BIM information exchange. The open file format is utilized by the Architectural Engineering and Construction (AEC) industry for design analysis, BIM coordination, clash detection, cost estimation, energy analysis, scheduling, etc. by exporting IFC data to any file format. 15 BIM Collaboration Format, BCF. BIM Collaboration Format, BCF, was introduced by Building Smart aiming for various BIM applications to communicate model-based issues with one another utilizing IFC data that has already been exchanged across project participants. Bypassing traditional formats and workflows, BCF was developed to improve IFC-based processes and facilitate open communication so that BIM software tools can more easily discover and exchange model-based concerns. 16 Constructability Review. Constructability review is a process of managing a building construction project by introducing construction thinking during the designing stage. The main objective of the technique is to identify obstacles that may occur during the actual construction phase and provide a suitable solution, far before the actual construction begins, to mitigate the chances of project overrun due to expensive design changes during construction. The review process required construction knowledge to be incorporated into the design process, and thus it is performed by experienced and professional engineers.
Digital twin. Digital twin is the digital replica of a built asset. Real-time data from a building environment is combined with its digital representation in a digital twin to provide clear insights throughout the project lifecycle. With the help of digital twins, professionals can analyze the design, operation process, and various aspects of it, such as tenant behavior, use patterns, space utilization, and traffic patterns. It provides a way to explore all possibilities, such as the effects of design modifications, adverse weather, and security incidents. It gathers a lot of data in a single digital platform. 18. Facility Management, FM. Facility management is a building functionality that integrates people, place, and process within the building environment with the aim of enhancing the well-being of residents and the efficiency of the core business. It assures the efficiency, sustainability, comfort, and functionality of the built environment of the residential, commercial, and infrastructural project. 19. Generative Designs. Generative design is the process of design experimentation. Engineers or designers need to enter design requirements into the generative design tools along with other information like spatial requirements or performance, manufacturing processes, materials, and cost limitations. The software swiftly generates design alternatives by considering every variation of a potential solution. With each iteration, it tests new ideas and concludes all possibilities. 20. 3D laser scanning. 3D laser scanning is a dynamic process of capturing the built-in condition of a building facility. The LiDAR technology-enabled 3D laser scanner allows users to capture data in the form of millions of digital points, known as point clouds. These point cloud data is further analyzed and utilized for renovation purposes, tracking on-site construction work progression, managing on-site risk, etc. 21. Quantity takeoff, QTO. A quantity takeoff basically refers to estimating materials and prefabricated parts. During the pre-construction stage, the QTOs are calculated using the project designs and noting down the details regarding the materials that the architect, engineer, or draftsman specifies while designing the building facility. 22. Work in Progress, WIP. Work in Progress, WIP, is the working file developed by each organization within a common data environment, CDE, having access to the project team only. These files are unapproved and cannot be considered as the final model files for further processing. 23. Worksharing Model. The term Worksharing Model is referred to the shared master project file which must be located in the common data environment, CDE, in order to work collaboratively. The work-sharing file is also known as the central model and it stores all worksets and elements throughout the project lifecycle. The shared model provides accessibility to project teams and every modification takes place on a real-time basis, once the update is published centrally. 24. As-built model. The as-built model represents the built-in condition of a facility. Preparing an as-built model is an ongoing process throughout the construction phase. Any modification, addition, deletion, and alteration that took place during the construction process must be marked in the drawings along with comments by the contractors. These drawings are further liked with the model and used for maintenance, facility operation management, asset management, and renovation purposes. 25. Record Model. The record model is the final model prepared by an architect. The model of the final building and its elements is prepared by utilizing and linking the records, documents, drawings, images, etc., such as clarifications, modifications made by the architect during the construction, and any changes according to the as-built drawings shown by contractors.